Okay, let's have a go at 17 then. We got 2x squared minus 1 on the top over 3x squared brackets 2x minus 1. Yeah? So we've got this is a repeated factor, isn't it? Because it's like x minus 0 in a sense. So you've got a over x plus b over x squared. Because the 3 is just a scalar multiple. You could put, 3 lots of it's fine. You don't need to worry about that. Because it's like a third outside the bracket. So that would be taken care of, won't it? Scalar multiples. And then you've got plus a linear factor, c over 2x minus 1. Yeah, so that's all we need to write there. Okay, let's multiply by the denominator then. And see what happens. We get 2x squared minus 1 on the top on the left. Multiply by this stuff then. And you get ax 2x minus 1, yeah? Plus b times a 3 plus b times a 3, and then it will be just 2x minus 1, and then plus c 3 lots of x squared. There we are. That's it. So we agreed if we put naught in along here. It's like considering constants, so on the left you get minus 1. All this goes, and all this goes. You'll just be left with this. Minus 3b is that line, there's the non-zero line. Minus 3b. So b is a third, isn't it? There we go. That's that one. Great. Now what next? Let's have a look at it. Next is a half, because all this stuff will go here. If I put half in there, they'll all go. So x equals a half is the next one, isn't it? Easy choice. Half squared is a quarter, 2 over a quarter is a half. We've got a half minus 1 is minus a half. So I'll put that down straight away. Okay, minus a half. Double check that if you need to. Minus a half times 2 is a half times 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. That's why we're doing it, because 0 times that is 0. This is 0 again. So you're left with 3cx squared. So it's 3c times times a half squared is a quarter. So 3c over 4 equals minus 1 half. Take the 4 up and bring the 3 down. So c equals, take the 4 up and bring the 3 down, minus 4 over 3 comes down to be with the 2 to make 6. It's minus 2/3, isn't it, in the end? So there's c. So the answer then, A is what? Have we got A yet? We haven't got A yet, have we? So we better carry on with the problem until we find out all three things. We've got B, we've got C. Now we need A. Which I was just jumping the gun there, wasn't I? X squareds are everywhere. Well, how else can we get A? We can get A from the x's. There's an x there. Yeah, the x's are probably the next easiest thing to do. So equate powers of x then. And what do we get on the left? Nothing. The x's here come from the second line. Yeah. 3a with a minus 3a, lots of x there. And the x's from this line, you get 6b. Yeah, 3b times 2, lots of x. From that line there, you get 6bx, so it's 6b. And that's it, isn't it? So from that one, you can see that bring the 3a back to that side. 3a equals 6b, so a equals 2b is basically what that's saying. 2 lots of b is 2/3. So there's a. So now we can write the answer. Equals a, which is 2/3. Drop the 3 down to be with the x, plus b, 1 over 3 x squareds, plus c, which is minus 2 on the top. The 3 can drop down to be with the 2x minus 1. Yeah, that's it. There's the answer. Good, well done. That's great. Let's go on to, that's that one done. Let's go on to the next one. 18.